Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can share articles on LinkedIn directly and automatically from Airtable records. So guys, Airtable is a database application, and if you are adding the data of anything that you want to share on LinkedIn, this automation is for you. And here you just have to add the data or the articles that you want to share on LinkedIn in Airtable, and those articles will be shared on LinkedIn automatically without any manual efforts. So it will create a record or the backup of your shared articles on LinkedIn and save your time as well. So guys, we are going to set up this automation without any coding super easily. So let's begin. So we are going to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted this same link in the description as well. So from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you just sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And from here you can create your first workflow with me. Okay, so here click on this create workflow button and this window will open up. From here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Airtable to LinkedIn. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is being ready here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the automated consequence or the response towards the trigger. Right, so in our use case, adding of the details of anything that you want to share on LinkedIn will act as a trigger to this workflow, and the action would be to share the same thing on LinkedIn. So Airtable will be our trigger application. So from here you have to choose Airtable. Okay. And in the trigger event, select this new record option. Okay, so whenever you are going to add a new record, that will act as a trigger here for this workflow. So click on connect button and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Airtable account. Okay, so you'll get this key. Let me show you how. This is my Airtable's base and here is my profile icon. You just have to click here and from here click on accounts, and on the accounts page when you scroll down you will find this key right here. You just have to copy this key and you have to paste this key here. All right, then click on save and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, so we are now connected and here it is asking for the base's name. So the name of my base is this, you can see LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm going to select the name from this list. Here it is. Okay, and after selecting the base it will ask for the table's name. So the name of my table is post to LinkedIn. Okay, so it got auto populated here because we have only one table right now. And here it is asking for the trigger field. So guys, you must have a trigger field inside Airtable's base, and that field should be a created time type of field. Okay, so Airtables has many type of fields. You can see this is a content, this is actually a single line text field, this is a image type field, and this is the created time field that we have added here in the last. So you must have this field. You can just change this type by clicking on edit field, and here you can select the created time option, and by after selecting the type you can just click on save, and that's how you can create a trigger field. So guys, what does this created time field do? So it captures the date and time of the adding of the record here in Airtable. So whenever you are going to add any new record here, this field is going to capture the date and time of the creation, and this will act as the trigger for this workflow. So this is called as the trigger field. Okay, so you have to have this field, then you have to select this field. It will be auto populated, not to worry. And then you just have to click on save and send test request, and the most recent entry that you have done in your Airtable will be fetched here in the response section. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request, and here you can see guys, in this response we got this image URL that we have added here in this image field. Okay, and when you scroll down, you will find the content field as well, and here you will find the text that you have entered here in your Airtables. Here you can see this is the text. Here you can see this is the text that we have added, and this is the photo that we have added, and the same things got captured here in this response section, right? Now guys, with the help of this data, I want to create a post on LinkedIn. For that, what we are going to do, use this action step and here search for LinkedIn. Okay. After that, select the action event as share an article or URL. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with LinkedIn. And it will bring you to this login window here. So from here, you have to sign in like I am doing. Okay. And you will be connected to LinkedIn. You can see we are getting connected. Okay. So authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it will ask for the author's name. So it will be yours, your account name. Here it will ask for the content, URL, and the visibility. So here we are going to map the data that we have received here from Airtable. And I'm going to map these labels I have received here in this tab. For that, you just have to click here, and from the previous tab or the trigger will appear in the drop down. So from here, you can map this content label to map the content. In this URL, I'm going to map the URL of the image that we got, and here you will find this image URL field. You just have to map it like this. You can select the visibility. If you want to create a post for your connections, you can select connections option or public as you want. And by clicking on save and send test request, you can test your connection with LinkedIn, and a test post will be created here in your profile. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. Let me show you my LinkedIn profile. And here you can see guys, a new post is created here just right now. And here you can read, no matter where you go, we always stay together. This is the same text that we had here in Airtable here. Okay. And this is the same photo also got posted here. You can see in this post. Okay. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation and it is working fine, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to create a new record of any content in Airtable, it will be shared on LinkedIn automatically. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.